Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff, and for those of you who are new, consider subscribing down below, turning on the post notifications, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and just get right into this video. You read the title, Snackcrate subscription box. I want to say May and June. I think it was, actually no, April and May is when I got my last Snackcrate boxes. And those were Colombia and Hawaii. Colombia was, I would say, I gave it a 6 out of 10 on the box. There wasn't too much going on in there that I really enjoyed. But as far as Hawaii goes, everything in that box was pretty much fire. From the chips to the candy, all of that was just like completely insane. The only thing that was probably gonna be, I would say, that I didn't eat was the tuna jerky. Like, really? Tuna jerky? Who eats tuna jerky? But I'm gonna stop wasting your guys' time. Let's go ahead and get into this subscription box. It just came yesterday. This is what the box looks like. It says on the side, a monthly box from around the world. Alright. So excited to open this box. If you know me, you know I'm a sucker for sweets and food. I love to eat. So let's go ahead and open it up. You guys are gonna go ahead and get the first look. Oh snap. The pamphlet just fell out and I already know what it is. It says that it's Russia. Here we go. Here's the pamphlet that I was talking about. It tells you everything that's on the box, or inside the box, I'm sorry. Everything that's inside the box, it tells you. This month's crate is from Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow. It was established in December 25th, 1991, really? Interesting. So, yeah, I don't know if I can mess with these. They got it looks like some type of chips. Can't even read the label. But it has a picture of a crab on it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what these are, but based off the picture, it's a tomato, some type of tomato snack. This one right here is a tomato snack. I wonder if the pamphlet will tell me. So these are like cheese chips right here. So those might be good. I'm gonna have to test those out. See, I don't know what this is. Let me look at that. Let me look at the thing. Oh, these right here are salmon and cheese flavored rusk with tartar sauce for dipping. I don't know about that. I don't know. Can't really read what it says, but these are called Baskervilles. They kind of look like pancakes with like cream inside of them, jelly inside of them. So we'll definitely have to test those out and see how they taste. These right here are some type of gummy bears. So we'll definitely take taste test on those and test those out. These right here are basically onion rings, you know, Funyuns or those type of chips. Then we have, I don't know what these are, but they look good, but I'm kind of worried. Oh, cherries, some type of cherry snacks. There's cherries all over the bag. So we'll definitely take a taste test on those. And then we have some type of wafer bar with cherries in it as well. Looks like it has honey in it. From what the picture right here shows, might be honey, I'm not sure, but you know, it's worth giving it a try. Then we have some type of like cookie crackers, I don't know. This kind of looks like a kid snack. Something that a child might want to eat. But I'm gonna take a taste test of that. I wonder what that is. Lucky Rolls. Some type of drink. see, I'm gonna have to read the pamphlet. This classic drink is described as tasting like the journey into the heart of the magical fairy Tonga or Tanga. Has some pine cones on the can, as you guys can see up top. So we'll definitely give this a try. This one right here, this one's crazy. And then we have this nice silver package that feels really, really heavy. I wonder what's inside here. Here we go, right here. What do you guys see? You guys see what's in here? Oh, so this thing right here is supposed to keep this cold, really? Wow. If I would have knew there was some stuff in here that needed to be cold and frozen, I would have put this in the freezer. Oh, it's all melted. Bummer. Some type of frozen treat. Oh, looks like a piece of poop. I mean, they all have pine cones on them. It's like a pine cone. It's weird. Really weird. I'm gonna have to put this in the freezer maybe and see if it'll come back to life. We have a couple of different types of, looks like chocolate bars. Here's the first one with the little baby on it. It's like a wafer. These look like wafers, like kind of like Kit Kat wafers, rectangular ones right here. Those look pretty good. Got some type of nuts in it, or I don't know what those are, but ooh, these are chocolates with like pineapple on them. That's cool. Definitely have to test those out. See what else is in here. Some type of, kind of looks like 100 grand. A Russian 100 grand, if you know what those are. Yeah, that looks really good. I'm definitely gonna test this out. Some type of raspberry treats. I'm not sure exactly what else might be in them, but they do kind of look good, but I don't know. As long as it doesn't have coconut in it, then I'm fine. Here's another like candy bar. Definitely like chocolate wafer. And then we have this thing called a zebra, and that also has like maybe some raisins, caramel, and some nuts. So that's pretty much all I got from this month's snack crate from Russia. A lot of stuff. These boxes come with a lot of stuff. Ooh, this reminds me of 100 grand, definitely. Let's go ahead and check out these cheese chips. Ooh. Yeah, these are good. Yeah, these are really good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give these ones a 10 out of 10. These things are so freaking good. Try these out, these Basker wheels. See what these are all about. So it's like a pancake. Yeah, like I said. Oh man. I'm going to go ahead and open up one more thing and try one more thing out. I want to try this thing out right here. Boom. This right here, I want to try this out. This pineapple chocolate candy. I want to try it out. Alright, here we go. I'll break out one piece. Alright, this is really good. You can't really taste the pineapple. I mean, it's like an aftertaste, but chocolate's still pretty good. All in all, I haven't tasted everything in the box, but so far, everything that I ate or took a bite of has been pretty good. So I'm gonna give the box for this month, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Wow, I'm only gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because, first off, who the hell eats crab chips? That's what I wanna know. That's what I wanna know. If you're out there eating crab chips, you are tripping. I don't even think I'm gonna bust these open to try them. I'm not trying these. On another note, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. You turn on the post notifications. And if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below suggesting ideas or topics or whatever, the reactions, whatever it may be that you guys want to see on the channel. And I'll be sure to make those ideas come to life. My name is Jeff and I'm out. Peace.